Just a quick one. This has just come out, this story in the iPaper about the BBC Panorama and their extubation claims. And I said, look, there's actually no evidence that the police are looking into these extubation rates anyways. It's a moot point, and I'll put a link to this article. It covers most of what we know, but there's some interesting info here. So Letby's legal team argue that the mistake could have serious consequences since prosecutors are considering bringing further charges against Letby. They put out a programme in the middle of a police and prosecution investigation that was wrong, and then had to change the programme. And this error led to presenters engaging in the realm of opinion while the file is sitting on the CPS desk. Full file, not just any file, full file. The BBC rejected such fears, saying that the error was corrected swiftly and there were no active proceedings relating to Letby's period at Liverpool, and so under the law there was no prejudice. It's interesting that the BBC have confirmed. It's interesting that the BBC seem to know more about what the police, what is in this full file, than Letby's legal team. But I mean, firstly, it's good that they're saying there's no active proceedings relating to Letby's period at Liverpool. But I have to say, that's not really the impression that we got from the Panorama documentary, did he?
The police have also been investigating further incidents involving Lucy Letby. What's happening now is that they've got to the stage of passing a file of evidence to the Crown Prosecution Service, so it's now up to the CPS to consider whether
I like what she's wearing, actually, quite hot.
It meets the bar, whether it hits the bar for charges.
The current police investigation involves a second hospital. In 2012 and 2015, Letby trained briefly at Liverpool Women's Hospital. A hospital review looked at unplanned extubations, that's breathing tubes coming out unexpectedly.
Like, they've put those two sentences together. It definitely came across that the police were looking into that, did it not? I mean, you can have another listen, but I don't know.